Today, I'm sharing a specific look at Dr. Joe Dispenza's popular meditations that self-help videos completely leave out. Millions of people spend hours trying to enter deep brainwave states to quiet their nervous system and visualize a completely new reality. They tell you that managing your internal state is the ultimate secret to transforming your life. But the exact second you open your eyes, the old stress patterns return instantly. It is exactly like being sold a beautiful supercar with only 3 tires. It looks amazing sitting in your driveway while you meditate, but it cannot actually take you anywhere safely in real life. You haven't been doing it wrong. You were just given an incomplete tool that focuses strictly on temporary state management. When you only focus on changing your mood, you are just managing symptoms. The second you go back to your day, the old automated scripts take right back over. I built a process called Remember to stop managing the symptoms and start completely erasing the root programs driving the friction. You can permanently break these recurring loops and reclaim a clear foundation. To see exactly how to clear the underlying code, I've placed access to the full breakdown in the first pinned comment below.